The first budget-friendly tip to grow your own healthy fresh food at home is making your own compost. This is a great way to naturally feed your plants, whether they are in containers, raised beds, or in-ground beds. Composting can be as simple as a container on your kitchen counter, a rotating composter, or a DIY built compost bin like I have here. Not only will you get free compost from the decomposed kitchen scraps and garden waste, but you also may save on your annual garbage collection fees by generating less garbage and green waste. You might also be able to get free green waste compost from your local composting program. This is Healthy Fresh Homegrown. I'm Mark. Let's save some money. So let's look at 4 other budget-friendly ways you can grow your own healthy fresh food at home and feed your family for less in these difficult times. Watering your garden, especially during a hot summer, can get really expensive. Plus, tap water can contain chemicals such as chlorine that can stunt the growth of some of your plants, especially seedlings. The solution is to store rainwater in barrels like this one. While it may not last the whole gardening season, especially if you have a month or more of drought, as we typically do here on the West Coast, any amount of water will help. Just be sure to check any local regulations to ensure you're allowed to harvest rainwater. Some regions, especially in the US, don't allow rainwater capture due to water rights. An alternative to rainwater is gray water, water that comes from baths, showers, laundry, and washing dishes. There are some precautions to take with gray water harvesting, and it may not be allowed in certain areas, so make sure to do some research on it. Seeds are getting more expensive, and so are seedlings you buy at a nursery or garden center. Plus, seed availability has seen some challenges since 2020, where some seeds are hard to get. Saving your own seeds can definitely save you money over the long run. For some vegetable plants, saving seeds is quite easy. For others, it might be a bit more difficult, as you'll need to watch out for cross-pollination. But I've had good luck saving bean and pea seeds as well as sunflowers. Plus, seeds that you save from your own plants may grow into healthier plants that are adapted better to your local microclimate. So in the end, you save even more money when your plants produce more. You can really spend a lot of money when you go to a nursery to buy special seedling trays, containers, see-through growing domes, and drip trays. Instead, raid your recycling box and reuse plastic containers that you'd normally throw out. Cardboard egg cartons can work well to raise seedlings, and you can tear off each individual cell and plant out without removing the seedling. Take-out containers with see-through lids can act as mini greenhouses to keep your seedlings warm and moist. And styrofoam meat trays can serve as drip trays underneath your small pot to protect what they are standing on. Just be sure to wash everything well with soapy hot water before reusing them in your garden. And finally, consider making your own leaf mulch. Another great way to feed your garden with material that you normally get rid of. I cover that tip in this next video here. For many more tips on saving money and growing food on a budget, check out my blog post, Vegetable Gardening on a Budget, 21 Ways to Save Money When Growing Food. Link is in the video description below. Thank you for watching.